live from the exhibition floor of ISNR 2017. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the TDT live threshold adjust in NeuroField. So this is based on version 3179 that we released today. Nice solid version. We had some previous issues with it that we fixed, so you're going to like this. For those of you that use NeuroGuide, what you do is load in your EEG file. Here you can see what I use for my standard reports when I generate in NeuroGuide. What I want to do now is load a specialized report. And all you need is to create a report that loads absolute power, coherence, and phase, and only z-score. So these are the only 4 things that you need to have selected. Say OK, and then go to report and generate your analysis. Oh, it wants some data here, so I'm going to select all. Then you go generate your analysis. NeuroGuide will create those 3 pages of analysis for you. What you want to do is go to File, Save, and save it as a tab delimited text or TDT file. Then you're going to save that file, and once you're done there, it's all ready to go. So now in NeuroField, we're going to select our patient. Go to select patient and continue, and then you're going to enable the stim units that you want to use and select your protocol. So here's a protocol that I have ready to go. Save and continue, and then you're going to enable your EEG. I'm going to use z-score media player, z-score, RTZ, and then right here you'll see a little box that says import TDT thresholds. Click on that box. And then make sure everything is set up the way you want it. Click on Save Patient Settings and continue. NeuroField will open up the live z-score adjust for you now. You'll notice that it's set up to this tab here, the manual adjust. Right next to it's another tab that says z-score live threshold from TDT file. You open this guy up, and on the right here you're going to see a button that says import TDT file. And now we want to find a TDT file that we just generated, and there it is. And I open it. And NeuroField will automatically fly in all the data that you just generated from NeuroGuide. Now from here, you can either select your own, you can use these files, or you can actually create your own by double clicking. It'll make the field gray. And then you have a way to load in these thresholds. It'll set it up for you automatically, or you can just simply load what NeuroGuide gives you. You can set the z-score to adjust over here on the right. If I increase it and then click on refresh, it'll grab the metrics above that z-score number or below it, depending on what plus or minus whatever that number is. Then on the next tab here, you see coherences. It automatically loads 10 coherence pairs or 10 phase pairs, or you can choose 5 coherence and 5 phase. Same rules apply in terms of the standard deviation. Once you get what you want loaded, then simply click on Load All Thresholds. And you do the same thing for power, load all thresholds. And once they're in there, you're ready to go. So you just click on Start Treatment. NeuroField will fire up. And here it gives us a z-score media player. We say OK. And you'll notice here that your z-score thresholds are now loaded. The same ones that you saw on this page here. And the same with your threshold values for coherence. Those will be loaded here, and then your phase values as well. So this is a quick and dirty way to get z-score data loaded in based on your client's QEEG report. We hope you like this. We're enjoying ISNR, and for those of you that are here, come by and say hello. We're always willing and ready to help you to learn this process. If you need any technical support, please don't hesitate to call the office and get a brief run through on any of the features of NeuroField64.